Hey guys, it's Bren from Kindred Acres Homestead, and I just wanted to do a quick video on pawpaw trees because I know many of you have them, and some have said that theirs have not produced. They've had it for years. Now, pawpaws do take a while to start producing, but I also wanted to share some tips and information. So, pawpaws are not visited by bees, often at all, if ever. They are pollinated by a species of flies, and if you don't have that specific fly in your area, they're not going to get pollinated. So hand pollinating is an option. Now the way what the trees do, I'm going to come over to the other one really quick. They produce flowers. Initially, the flowers are green. And then when they're mature and ready, they turn red and they let out an odor. I don't smell it. Most people probably won't smell it, but flies smell it. And so when they turn this color, they're ready for pollination. And so this green one is still too young. So what you do is you come up with a little paintbrush and you just kind of go in there. You'll see some, let's see if I could get that to zoom in. And so these have the young fruits already. And so you'll actually go from tree to tree. So you want to have multiple trees. You'll go from tree to tree collecting the pollen. So just take your brush and just gently twist around one or two. That one's already closed up. One or two of the flowers, and then you'll go back over here to this one and twist around in one or two of the flowers. And then you'll do the same over here, and you'll just keep going back and forth from flower to flower. And that's how, oops, I'm sorry, I'm trying to do it at the same time I am filming. And that's how you hand pollinate them. And it's not going to be 100% success, so don't expect fruit on all of them. But you have a much higher chance of getting fruit if you help out by hand pollinating. So you can see the little pollen bits. I don't know if that's gonna show. Let me see if I can try and get it to show. Sorry, it's not focusing very well here, but there's bits of pollen all over my brush, and then I'm gonna go and transfer that pollen to some open flowers over here, and so on and so forth. Now, of course, it's better if the flies do it for you. But I don't know about you, but given that these are my only two trees that are mature enough to produce yet, I'm going to go ahead and not leave it to chance because I would really appreciate some fruit this year. I'm going to go ahead and hand pollinate. So I hope that helps. Now you know what to look for and how to hand pollinate your pawpaw trees. And when I'm doing this, I'm actually seeing these little flies come out. So that means I have the flies. So I'm probably going to stop here and let them take care of the rest. I don't know if you guys saw that. Let me see. I haven't touched this one yet. So I'm going to go ahead and see if they'll come out when I do this on this one. I hope that showed up in the video. They're not coming out now, so I might have scared them all off, but I saw the little flies come out of those two, they're tiny flies, and they came out of those two flowers that I just did, so I know they're here, and so I'm gonna just leave it to them now. I did my part, and they're here doing theirs, so that's how you hand pollinate pawpaws and what to look for. I hope that helps. Lots of love from Kindred Acres.